So Google is expected to disclose its earnings outcomes after the close of today's session, that is the session of the 25th of April 2023. The main estimate from 30 analysts is a $1.06 earnings per share with a range of 0.87 to 1.21, a decrease of 13.73% from the same period a year ago. Revenue estimate is $68.88 billion and $872.22 million increase from the same period a year ago. So we can also see that already was indicated a few days ago that last month, obviously we know that the company launched Bird in a bid to take on Microsoft-backed OpenAI's ChatGPT, which can write convincingly human-like responses to questions and prompts. It has also recently integrated generative AI into its widely used productivity applications such as Google Workspace, Google Docs, and Gmail. So the company now is planning to introduce generative artificial intelligence into its advertising business over the coming months as big tech groups rush to incorporate the groundbreaking technology into their products. According to an internal presentation to advertisers seen by the Financial Times, Google intends to begin using the AI to create novel advertisements based on materials produced by human marketers. Generative AI is unlocking a world of creativity, the company said in a presentation titled AI Powered Ads 2023. Google already uses AI in its advertising business to create simple prompts that encourage users to buy products. However, the integration of its latest generative AI, which also powers its Bard chatbot, means it will be able to produce far more sophisticated campaigns resembling those created by marketing agencies. The new technology will be embedded into Performance Max, a program Google has offered since 2020 that uses an algorithm to determine where ads should run and how marketing budgets should be spent, as well as producing simple ad copies. The advertising industry is facing significant headwinds, with businesses seeking to control costs and increase restrictions on using personal data for marketing purposes. Google's advertising revenue slipped 4% in the final quarter of last year, 2022, leaving its parent Alphabet with overall revenue growth of just 1%. The largest social media platform, which rely on advertising for majority of its revenue, is seeking to use the latest automation technology to draw in clients. So that is what we're looking at right now as it concerns Google. And on its stock, we can see it remains within it remains within a bearish trend despite trading above its 200 day moving average. Okay, so that's what we're seeing is but good enough. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. Okay, so we have on trading view on this 1 minute live chart that is the stock is down 0.46% in this pre-market session of the 25th of April 2023. Okay, we have upper projections on 1 minute live upper projections of 106.53. The most extreme upper projection is around $107 on the 1 minute chart. So let's look at the daily chart and see what we have there. Let's see, we have projections of 109.64 dollars, and then all the way towards 121.92. so the trend is trend since at least early last month is reasonably an improving one. So let's see, let's look at the weekly chart and we might get a better picture of where things might be going as well. Okay, on the weekly chart we have the trend is the longer term moving averages are still sloping bullishly upwards, so there's a good chance there's a good chance that we're not going to see any collapse at least below 98 There's a good chance we're not going to see that. They're quite likely to provide a support for Google stock. So on the weekly chart, we also have a projection towards 114.97. Let's compare that to the daily chart, 114.9. Let's look at the daily chart, 114.97. Yes, we have 110. Okay, so there's a good chance that these are just probably going to, especially 109. 109 is something that can happen, but at least 104 definitely, it can also drop below that, but $198, we don't think it's really going to materialize. The probability of that happening is a lot more remote. Okay, so Google planning to deploy AI in generative ads. See what you make of it. It's going to announce its earnings outcomes at the close of today's trading session. That is today, the 25th of April 2023. And thank you very much for watching this video.